Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today's video is also viewer requested one, and in today's video we will discuss about joining bonus. I know most of you are not aware of joining bonus. What is it? How we can ask for joining bonus? What are the consequences if you don't return the joining bonus? Why you have to return the joining bonus? So stay tuned in this video. I will discuss and cover all these topics. So let's start. First, we will discuss about what is joining bonus. So friends, joining bonus is sum of a money paid to an employee by their employer as an incentive to join that company. They are usually given to make the compensation package more attractive to the candidate or to the employee. Now we will discuss about what are the criteria for the joining bonus. So basically there are various factors can be considered to get a joining bonus, but some of the major factors can be if a candidate is serving notice period and ready to join the new company within 30 days, if the candidate has given multiple interviews and the candidate has 2 to 3 offer letter in their hand, and if the candidate has the skills which is most demanding in the industry. Now the important part I will discuss, where suppose you are currently working in one company and you have given interview to another company. In that company you are selected. Now you are aware of the joining bonus and you have seen that in that company your other friends or your colleagues, ex-colleagues have received the joining bonus. So can you ask to the HR regarding joining bonus? Yes, of course you can ask about it, but do remember, giving the joining bonus is completely in the hand of HR. If they feel, they will give you, and if they deny or if they feel that you won't be eligible to get the joining bonus, you will not get. So in that case you may politely inquire about the joining bonus to your HR. If they directly deny about it, leave the topic. Do not need to ask about it and don't be pushy. Don't push the topic and constantly ask about the joining bonus to the HR. They may get offended in that time and they may even reject your candidature. So if you politely ask about the joining bonus, if they are okay with it, they will give you. If they directly deny that you are not eligible for that, do not need to discuss that topic. This is another an important question comes in most of people's mind, where in which situation you have to return the joining bonus. Suppose you are working for a company. When you were selected for that company, your company gave you an amount of 1 lakh rupees as a joining bonus. But within 1 year you have decided to resign from that company because you receive offer from another company. You have resigned from that company. So in this situation you have to return the total 1 lakh rupees to the company which you have received as a joining bonus, because within 1 year if you resign from that company, if you got the joining bonus from that company, then in that case you have to return it. Even in some cases, if you sign the bond of that company for 2 years and you receive the joining bonus, in that case also if you resign after 1.5 years, even after 1 year 11 months, in that case also you have to pay the total amount of joining bonus to that company. So do remember friends, whenever you receive the joining bonus, kindly review the offer letter if any certain period is mentioned there, in which situation you have to return the joining bonus. So that is the thing you need to remember. Now I will discuss the last part, where if you don't pay the joining bonus to the company, what action that company can take against you. So in this situation, if you resign from that company, if you have followed all the exit formalities, the resignation policies you have followed, you have served the complete notice period, but you did not return the joining bonus, in that case the company will not give you the relieving letter or the service letter. They may hold your full and final settlement also, and in worst cases they may take legal action against you. So that was all I wanted to discuss in this video. So I believe you understood about the joining bonus, how you are eligible for the joining bonus, how you will ask about the joining bonus, and when you have to return the joining bonus. If you don't return the joining bonus, then what are the consequences? So if you feel that my video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. That will give me motivation to come up with more interesting and informative videos related to your career and jobs. Have a nice day to all of you. Good day.